thermal in the lineup. Actually, this one's special because it is our 31 Gives product spotlight. So with every purchase of these thermals, 31 cents goes to Girls on the Line. And yes, it comes in more than one color. So I will be showcasing all the colors available. What's great about this is probably like 10 inches by 10 inch up and maybe 3 inches wide. Super wipeable material. That's that slippery material that I love. Yes, you have a nice sturdy padded handle right here. It does clip. See? Boom, boom. This is in our new rainbow print. I know, rainbows, right? Yes, you could personalize it if you were to. It'd go right up here. When you open it, it's like a fold up. Oh my gosh, don't you love that? And on the inside, you have that silver lining right there. So this is our new, I want to say fold up thermal. Great for the kiddos and all that fun stuff. Maybe we should be our new fundraiser project in this upcoming spring lineup. I don't know. You guys tell me. But this is also in another great color. Bag babes, you know, watercolor pastels. Like, yeah, this is it. So, boom, you got the same clip concept. Another polar handleable. I love how this one's super packed with stuff, so you can kind of see and compare how these two run. So, tons of room. I could even see this as an overnight mini bag maybe at grandma and grandpa's, or even like bring those stuffed animals. You could stuff them in there. With the handle, again, you can clip it. Let's open this up and see what it looks like on set. Oh, there's air. So I'm glad that they totally packed this up. New fold-up handle and that awesome, amazing, fun prints for you guys. Make sure if you want more information about the new spring lineup, shoot me down in the comments down below, spring, or you can simply reach out to me, email, text, Facebook, or simply reach out to me by the contact form down below, and I will get you all the goods and information. This one's a good one, guys. All right, stay tuned for more. Make sure you binge if you haven't yet. So hit the subscribe button and check out this playlist that I got going for you guys. That is going to showcase more of the spring stuff.